gotta get help out here. Chucky's not moving, come on. Somebody needs to call 911. Hold on a second, hold on, don't move him yet, don't move him yet.
I know all you KCW fans are wondering what the heck just happened. Donnie Green turned his back on the fans, turned his back on everybody. People in the ring, Big Al Steel, Chucky Smoke, Ray the Bear. It didn't matter. I'm here for one reason only. That's to make money. I'm tired of being pushed down in KCW as a one-hole, two-hole, not making any money. I want to be the main event. I want to make money. Johnny Hollywood promised me that I'd be on top. I'd make the money. I'm not here to make friends with his crew. Johnny Hollywood here is one reason only. You understand what I'm telling you? It's about the Benjamins. That's it. Period.